Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and paint a beautiful flower. Do you know what is it? Yes, this is Daffodil Flower. Are you ready? Now let's start drawing together. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Black color, dark green color, yellow color, light blue color, orange color, pink color, red color, purple color, brown color, light in color. Amazing kids! Now let's start drawing together. This is daffodil flower. Kids, this is daffodil flower. Daffodil flower. This is daffodil flower. Amazing! Now let's draw stem and leaves. Amazing kids! Now let's write the word daffodil. D A F F O D I L. Daffodil. Splendid! Our daffodil drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. This is yellow color. Kids, this is yellow color. Daffodil. This is daffodil flower. Daffodil flower. Kids, this is daffodil flower. Well done, kids. This is red color. Kids, this is red color. Daffodil flower is yellow and red. Well done, kids. This is purple color. Now let's color the stem and leaves. This is green color. Kids, this is green color. Daffodil. This is daffodil flower. Amazing, kids. Our daffodil drawing is complete. Now let's color the word daffodil. This is light blue color. Kids, this is light blue color. Daffodil. This is daffodil. D A F F O D I L. Daffodil. Well done, kids. Our daffodil drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep smiling, keep learning, keep drawing.